is David Urena. I'm from the Ocala office. Today we're going to be installing one of the outdoors doorbells. We're going to be showing some of the little parts that we have here. First we have the little adapters. These little adapters actually go on the back of this if you ever need them. So for example, let's say at one point or another the wire does not reach where it connects right here. You can always use the little adapter. Just plug it in right there, and then just plug in the little wire right at the very tip there. All you have to do is just push it in. If you make a mistake, you can always pull it back out and put it in again, or strip it or something. Then we have some of the little screws that come with it. Screws are for the little mount here, and basically it has like a little angle. So you normally want to face it towards where it actually picks up the most area, and that's what the angle is for. If it's a straight on, you just don't use that part, just use it direct. Just straight onto the little plate, which is this one here. And as you can see, you have the two little screws right at the bottom right here. Just put it in, and it actually tells you a little guide here which direction it goes, because it has a little tiny hole right in here. And inside of the little hole, it's a little puncture thing that actually pushes right in there. And that's just to take the camera off if you ever have to. And of course, the angle goes before this. So it goes like that. So notice how it puts like a little angle. You can go like that, or you can put it the other way. Whichever way you need it to angle to get the most area, not just a wall or something like that. This is a little drill in case you have to drill. Sometimes you don't have to drill. There's already pre-drilled holes there, but you do have little anchors that actually fit the size of the drill. So once you drill it, you put the little anchors and then use the two little screws that come with it right there. Okay, so that's what those little pieces are for. Over here you have the little chime bell. This is actually what gives the signal from the camera to the doorbell. It's like a bypass basically, as you can see. So now when you put this on, notice it has a little sticky tape. I normally stick it to the side of there's a little plate where the bells are inside. You just put, kind of wobble this up and put it right on there. Now you have to make sure that these wires you put on here do not touch the little bells that are inside. If they touch, it's gonna damper them. So you don't wanna do that. And then when you hit the button, then it's gonna sound really strange because it's not ringing the actual bell, it's just dampered. So, but you do a little test, just hit it a couple of times, and once it's good, put the cover back on and you're good to go on that.